How to create a preview link for your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now whether you're required to give somebody a preview link or you just want to create it so you can share it with other people and they can view your store briefly without having to be available at all times, and at the same time they won't be able to buy anything. They're just going to see the preview of it. So in any case, we can just show you how to create it. Now, obviously, this is going to work for stores that are not launched. That could be because it's password protected, like the one that I have, which, if people visit with this password here, for example, if people visit, they're going to pretty much just see the coming soon page, which is not showing for me. So we would want to share the preview link. So to get it, it's actually very simple. First thing you need to just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. And then from here, you just want to go to your online store, go to themes. And then from here, you will find the, in my case, Dawn theme, but the theme that you're running. So all you need to do is just go ahead and you see the customize button. You just want to click on the three dots right next to it. And then you will find the first option here, which is preview, which obviously if you click on it, it's just going to show us a page or the preview of our site. So just go and click on preview. Give it a little bit of time and it's actually going to load here. You can actually, preview the entire store for yourself. And most importantly, at the bottom here, you can actually see your previewing done, last saved 5 minutes ago and so on. But here we can actually see we have share preview. Click on share preview and then you will see this copy link option. So share this preview link to get feedback on the theme that you're using. Anyone with this link can access the preview within the next 2 days. So after that, it's no longer going to be available, and viewers obviously won't be able to buy your products. So just go in and copy this, and let's just go in and open it up in a new browser and see how it's actually going to look like. So if I just go ahead and paste the link right over here, it's just going to open up the preview for our store. And obviously they will not be able to purchase anything. They won't be able to do anything with it. Yes, the options are available to add to cart or buy it now, but it's not going to be possible. This is only a preview link. So in that case, you're pretty much good to go. And now they can access the preview for the next 2 days. So let's say you actually want to extend that. So you want to have people view your site without having to worry about the 2-day thingy. In that case, you may just, if it is password protected, you just want to go to preferences, go to the bottom here where you will find password protection, and just go ahead and give them the password. This way they will just be able to enter it and they will have access to your store. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.